Hello, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. So today what I'm gonna talk about what activity book niche. So if you are watching my video for the very first time, please do subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends and family whoever is interested in passive income. So let's go Amazon KDP Marketplace and we search activity book, and now here search results is 70,000. So this is huge amount of book, huge an amount of activity book and huge amount of competition. So from this 7,000 activity book you can find out small niche, micro niche, sub niche with a profitable niche. So here we can find out profitable niche. Here we can see a lot of niche. So first of all we search dinosaur activity book for kids. Here the results 50,000. So huge amount of product and a lot of competition. So we can find out another. Here we can also find to check that the competition of this book, Ocean Animals Preschool Activity Book. Here the results only shows 861. So obviously this is a small niche with a low competition and highly profitable. Here the review is 2066. So we can find out the trademark and copyright. No copyright, so no trademark. So this is a set product. So we can also search Google. Okay, this is a set product and you can definitely watch an animals preschool activity book and upload the books of Amazon KDP and sells a lot of money. So this book BSR 1 9056. BSR is also good. So we can calculate the income rate of this book. 1956. Per day sales 90 and per month sales 1352. So huge amount of earning. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with you more niche, more ideas, and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing you then. Thank you so much.